The BigPicture Resources module provides essential information for managing resources at the project and portfolio levels. The interface is built around three key areas: the action menu at the top, the resource grid, where you monitor workload, capacity, and assignments, and the backlog, where you can schedule tasks and access contextual reports. Let's start with the action menu. Starting on the left, you'll find the scenario feature. Use it to test different variants of your plan, compare results, and confidently find the best path forward before committing. Next is the swim lane menu, which lets you organize resource data in different ways. Select individuals to view work assigned to specific people. Choose teams to analyze workload across big picture teams. Select projects to organize work items and capacity by sub-boxes. Use skills to review work based on required competencies. Or switch to multi-team planning to assign a single task to multiple teams. Identify overloaded teams, detect unused capacity, and spot planning risks before work begins. The group option adds a second level of grouping, making it easier to analyze resource capacity from different perspectives. Under the Tasks menu, you can create new Jira work items or big picture tasks. The View menu lets you customize how information is displayed. Choose which data appears in the resource grid, including workload, remaining capacity, task details, and more. Configure warnings to highlight potential issues. Or use Task Color to display tasks by status or manually assign colors for better visibility. The Modes menu lets you switch between different effort modes and units. On the right, you'll find timeline settings and aggregation options, which control how data is displayed over time. Search and filtering tools are available on the right. Now let's explore the resource grid. The resource grid provides a complete overview of workload, capacity, and remaining availability. As we mentioned earlier, you can customize visibility of those rows in the View menu. Click any workload bar to open a detailed summary for the selected period. Without leaving the view, you can see the effort mode, aggregation, total workload, remaining capacity, color explanation, and the list of assigned tasks. The workload colors are fully configurable. You can define separate coloring rules for individuals, teams, projects, and skills in the box type settings. The grid also displays assigned tasks directly on the timeline. Select a task to open its details, edit fields in line, or update assignments without leaving the Resources module. For example, use Find the Perfect Match to identify the most suitable assignees based on required skills and their remaining capacity. Finally, let's look at the backlog. The backlog contains tasks that haven't been scheduled yet. Simply drag and drop a task onto the timeline to schedule it and then assign it to the appropriate resource, team, skill, or sub-box, depending on the active swim lane. The Reports tab provides quick access to contextual reports, including boxes by status, team capacity, effort progress, OKRs by status, and project health. Together, these reports help you monitor resource utilization and project health without leaving the Resources module. To sum up, the Resources module gives you a complete view of workload, capacity, and assignments, helping you balance resources, optimize utilization, and keep your plans on track.